Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to TechKZ. Today in this video, I'm going to explain how you can rotate your home screen or lock screen on Samsung mobiles. See here, not every mobile manufacturer will have this option, but most of the Samsung phones will have this option. See, now this is the home screen. If you can observe, this is the home screen itself, and this should be in the portrait mode, right? But now the options are in landscape. How you can change your home screen layout or lock screen layout in landscape mode? This is very easy. I'll explain you how you can do it. Yeah, see here, this is how your phone initially looks, the Samsung phone. So you need to just scroll from bottom to top, and there will be auto rotation option or portrait or landscape option. First you need to enable this, turn this on. So now your phone auto rotates whenever you watch a video, whenever you turn your mobile into landscape, and you need to press and hold on this option for few seconds. Okay, now see here, if you scroll down, rotate to landscape mode when, even on the home screen, even on the lock screen. So if you keep this voice call screen when you are on calls also, this works. So right now I'm not going to do that, I'm just clicking on done here. So now this is in the portrait mode, right? Now I'll change it, shift to, see, now the home screen itself uh, turned into landscape mode. So this is how you can change your home screen layout and the lock screen layout to the uh, landscape mode. If you want to turn this off anytime, just press and hold again, and just disable this home screen and also the lock screen. So everything will be back to your home settings. Just try to test it on your Samsung mobiles. Please do comment how did it work, and if you do have any other questions, please do ask in the comments. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.